The 2023 Toyota Sequoia Capstone is a bold, refined, and capable full-size SUV that stands at the top of Sequoia's lineup. With its luxurious features, robust performance, and impressive tech, it makes a compelling option for those looking for a premium family vehicle with serious towing capabilities. I call this the god of all Sequoias.
Hey guys, what's good? Trailer for cars for driving. Under this hood is a very special engine.
Under the hood, the Sequoia Capstone boasts of a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine that produces 437 horsepower and 583 feet of torque. This powertrain is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and comes with either a rear-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive. The hybrid engine offers a great balance between power and efficiency, making the Sequoia a solid performer on the road while still offering a decent fuel economy for its class.
This car sits on a really beautiful, chromed out, specced out 22-inch rim. You press the side if you just want to push something in, and that's it. Or you can drop it, and then one click, it goes up. Now, because it's a 7-seater, we'll show you how far we can go with it.
Well, hello there. Whilst we wait for the seat to dip down, why don't you subscribe to our page? Yep, click the subscribe button. Bottom, yep, that's it. Click. And also click the like before you forget. Like, so you can help us help you know what cars we're driving. All right, bye-bye.
With different columns for you to keep this tree in. Now, it has the first side, it has the second side, and it has the third side. But when you look at this, I mean, I can't complain because we can keep a few things here. I like what they did with the Land Cruiser because the Land Cruiser seats come this way as compared to this resting on this side. So it's a bit limited with the Land Cruiser because now if it's on this side and you have cargo that is this long, you can't because the cargo has to hang this side. The last row gets some form of comfort. They have two cup holders on this side. Now you also have a button on this side where when you're in the car, you can press it and these seats come up. Let me show you. But it's going to hurt my hand, so let me just continue this way, and then we are in there. Now the same thing with the Cadillac that I reviewed. Because it's a 7-seater, it has a camera that is over here to help you with your rear view. Now this is the camera over here. I like the fact that it's in the car and it's not something that's sticking out. So in terms of like security and all of those things.
One of the highlights of Toyota Sequoia's Capstone is its upscale interior. The cabin is swatched in premium materials, including soft leather upholstery, real-wood trims, a tasteful design that feels both modern and luxurious.
Why buy a car when it doesn't feel as comfortable as this? Now, this is the two-tone interior. I like the idea of these seats because they are very wide.
The front seats are heated and ventilated, and the driver's seat is power adjustable with memory settings for added comfort. The second row captain's chair are also a nice touch, and the third rows more suited for children or shorter trips.
Now, I like the idea of it.
The Sequoia Capstone is loaded with high-end features, including a panoramic sunroof, a 14-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 14-speaker JBL audio system. The tech interface is user-friendly, though it can be a bit overwhelming at the first glance due to the size and range of features. The digital gauge cluster is sleek and customizable, providing useful information right in front of you.
Power up this car, the power button is down here. It's written power actually, it's not even written push to start or anything, it's written power. Now it has a lot of details on the gauge cluster. I like the whole idea of the robust type of design that is going on in that side because the gauge cluster gives you a bolt. The steering wheel comes with premium leather. This car comes with drive modes all the way up to Sports Plus. So I was thinking that maybe they would have added paddle shifter. Good for towing.
With a towing capacity of up to 9,000 pounds, it's more than capable of hauling a boat, trailer, or a camper.
Active suspension over here that you can press and keep the car at a very good level. One favorite thing about it is how this feels. This is very premium. The dial for the volume on the car, your fan, your rear, your mode of the climate control. The display is really premium and it's really crisp. And then it's very responsive, if I must say. Now it comes to the vehicle, then your call when you connect a Bluetooth device or something, then your FM radio. So my favorite station, Atlantis. Alright, that's it for radio. Another thing I don't like about it is the fact that they copied or they moved in the same line the Ford or the Ram, where they give you the smoke thing where you can put your charger and stuff in there. It's at the top. So most of the time when you're driving, you have a cable sticking out from here. I don't think it's a really nice idea. I don't know why they keep putting it, because you have everything here. Now this car comes with the wireless charger that's on this side. I like the fact that it's down glove compartment over here, premium leather on this side, really nice wooden vinyl on this side. I like the handle that comes over here. It's very premium, it's very robust, and it's very nice. Now let's talk about how big and chunky these air vents are. Alright, so we come into the passenger side of the car. Now my main issue with this side is the part that extends down because of sunroof. We have a very nice vent that extends over here. You have your cockpit light or a reading light that's over here. It's a bit of white warm, which is really nice. Then this side also comes with your privacy blinds, which is very nice and premium. I like this car. It's just so nice. But I mean, the only thing is that I can't be on the whole trip with this. It's just premium seat pockets behind, very leather, shows that you're rich. Now you also have, you can control your rear climate control on this side, which is also really nice and premium. It comes with heated and cooling seat also on this side. I mean, there's nothing much to say about this side because there's no screens that extend at the back. I was thinking that the Capstone version could have it, but this doesn't. Now getting into the third row in this car, that gives you the 6th and 7th seats. There are 3 different buttons that help you recline the seats at the third row. Now there is one over here that gives you access to push it all the way up. Then that's fine. Then there's another one just right by the door. Then there is one all the way in the trunk space that gives you the chance to press it and it comes up. This is the only comfort you get. You only get like a chair that goes back. Okay, let's see if when it goes in, I can. Okay. So now I feel like I own the car now because I don't have to stress about the extruded part that gives the sunroof the chance to go back. But then now it feels nice. I think I can be in this car from start to finish. Saying bye to your haters. Extend this. You can still see me, right? But hi. One click and it goes up. The comfort in this side is not anything as premium as it should be, because I'm thinking that since this is the CEO's bench or the CEO's chair, it should be so glorious. The only thing I don't love about the back sitting area is the part that extends down because of the sunroof.
Ride and handling. The ride quality in the Sequoia Capstone is impressively smooth, with a suspension system that strikes a good balance between comfort and control. On highways, it's quiet and composed, while still being responsive enough for a large SUV.
Now, this car, what I love about it is the fact that they've really engineered the whole idea of the sound that the car gives you. That's not from the engine or for the exhaust, it's actually in the car. Now, driving this car feels like a god on the road. It feels very nice, it feels very premium. The steering is really nice. Now, the turning circumference is really adequate. Trying to maneuver your way around town and all, this car can be a very good city car. Can you hear the sound? This is not the engine. When you change the drive mode to Sports Plus, you can hear a bit of the twin turbo that is in the car, and that's really nice. And I like the idea of the fact that this car really sits high, and this car really feels very nice and premium.
In conclusion, The 2023 Toyota Sequoia Capstone is a top-tier full-size SUV that offers a blend of luxury, power, and versatility. With a premium interior, modern technology, impressive towing capabilities, and off-road readiness. It's an excellent option for families who need both comfort and capability. While it may not be the most agile SUV in its class, the Toyota Sequoia Capstone makes up for it with its overall strength and refinement. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a family vehicle that can handle just about anything life throws its way. This is Strata for Cars We're Driving, and always remember, if it's not on the show, then it's not worth driving.